Ever wondered how big companies manage complex infrastructure with ease? It's all about infrastructure as code, or IAC. And in today's video, we're diving into Terraform, one of the top infrastructure as code tools. Plus, we'll look at how one company used Terraform to solve a big problem, dangling resources that were draining money. Let's jump right into it. So what exactly is infrastructure as code? Imagine you can manage your entire cloud infrastructure the same way you write software, versioned, repeatable, and fully automated. That's infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code lets you define your infrastructure like servers, databases, and all networks, all as code. With tools like Terraform, you can write configuration files that automatically deploy your infrastructure. This approach gives you speed, consistency, and a way to avoid those nightmare "it worked on my machine" scenarios. Enter Terraform, an open source tool by HashiCorp that's taking the DevOps world by storm. With Terraform, you define your resources in simple config files, which are then provisioned automatically across your cloud provider of choice. Terraform uses declarative approach, meaning you specify what you want, and Terraform figures out how to make it happen. It's compatible with major clouds like AWS, Azure, and GCP. And once you know Terraform, you can apply it anywhere. Alright, here's a real-world example. Imagine a company with dozens of developers creating resources in the cloud. It's all a free-for-all, and resources are left running long after they are needed. Sounds familiar? This is called dangling resource, and it can seriously drive up costs. To get things under control, this company adopted Terraform. By defining all resources as code, they gained centralized control. Every resource was tracked, and best of all, Terraform destroy command allows them to automatically clean up resources no longer in use. With Terraform, they created workflows where infrastructure spun up only when needed and tore them down when tasks were complete. This change saved them thousands each month and brought order to the chaos. So what makes Terraform so powerful for teams? First, cost control. By using infrastructure as code, you know exactly what resources are deployed and can avoid waste. No more surprise bills. Second, consistency. With infrastructure as code, every environment is created from the same code base, so dev, test, and production environments are identical. This minimizes deployment issues and makes troubleshooting a breeze. And finally, collaboration. Teams can work on infrastructure just like they do on code. Terraform files live in Git, meaning teams can create pull requests and code reviews to ensure that the infrastructure is secure and optimized. So why should you learn infrastructure as code, and specifically Terraform? Companies are leaning hard into cloud, and they need people who can automate and manage that infrastructure efficiently. Learning Terraform makes you a key player in any modern DevOps team. From deploying production environments to reducing costs, Terraform skills open up a world of opportunities. And as infrastructure as code grows, Terraform is leading the charge. So knowing it is a major career booster. That's Terraform in a nutshell. We have covered infrastructure as code, why Terraform is awesome, and how it can save companies thousands by managing infrastructure as code. Comment below if you've used Terraform or want more tutorials. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more cloud tech related videos.